In this video, we take a look at 5 Canva AI features that are the backbone of Canva. With Canva's homepage open, go up to the purple Create button at the top of the left side toolbar, or look to the line of options across the top of the page and choose Presentation. Once it is open, click inside the design space. You will see a toolbar appear above. Click Ask Canva. A menu opens, and you're given 3 options. It defaults on Generate Text, but there's also Make an Image and Give me Design Advice. I'll leave it on Generate Text and type my comment in the box. Next, I'll click the purple Submit Comment arrow and let it do its thing. In a short period of time, I get 3 different suggestions in a drop-down to the right side of the page. Click on any of the suggestions and the text appears in your design. Click out of the design and the drop-down pulls up. You can always click on it again to get it back. What makes Ask Canva so powerful is that it doesn't replace creativity. It removes friction. And if you're newer to Canva, it'll help you move faster without breaking your flow. Next, we look at Magic Write. Open a Canva doc from the home page. See the plus sign here? If you click on it, it'll open a drop-down, and first on the list is Magic Write. Clicking on it opens a box to describe the task you want it to take on. Magic Write is perfect for outlines, captions, scripts, descriptions, and rough drafts. I wanted a short poem about a flower, then clicked the arrow. It quickly gave me the poem. I clicked Insert, and there it is, on my page. Next up is Text to Image. I think this is probably one of Canva's most favorite of all. I don't know of anyone who doesn't use and love this one. Let's say you've searched elements for a specific graphic that doesn't exist. You can write a description in the search box, click the Generate Image button, and let it generate an image for you. It's quick and unique to you. Next, we look at Background Remover. I may have misspoke about text to image being Canva users' favorite. Background Remover is probably the most used AI tool in Canva. Go to Edit in the toolbar, look for Magic Studio, and click on Background Remover. One click. Clean cut. And that's it. Done. The last one we look at is Magic Edit. Magic Edit lets you select part of an image and change it with words. Not filters, not effects. Actual object-level editing. It gives off a Photoshop-level vibe without the headache. Open a photo in the design space. Click to highlight, then head up to Edit, then Magic Studio, and find Magic Edit. It's going to ask you to select an area to edit. I want to add a plant to the desk, so I use the brush to purple out the area I want the plant to be. Next, I need to add my description in the box, and then click Generate. And if you like one of the generated images, select it to add to your design. Pretty impressive. Those are 5 of the most useful AI features that I think Canva has. These tools aren't about replacing creativity. They're about helping you actually finish things. If you found this content helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.